to remove gray shading or background from copy-pasted text in Word. So if you want to remove the gray shading or background from a copy-pasted text in Word, then just follow the steps. So here I have the copy-pasted text. For example, I've taken the text from here, I've just copied this one, and then I've pasted to my Word document. And once you've pasted, you will get this gray color interface right on the background. So what you need to do is just copy the text from wherever you like. For example, I'll be copying something. Once you've copied, now what you need to do is you just need to choose an option. For example, you will have the paste options, right? So if you choose the first option, then you will get the gray text. But if you choose the second option, which is merge formatting, then you won't get the option of gray. Like you don't have the gray background. You can choose the second option or the third option, which is keep text only. So in order to remove the background, what you need to do is you just need to simply paste from the second or the third option. So I'll be choosing the second one. Now you can see that I don't have the gray shading or the background. So that's how you can remove gray shading or background from a copy pasted text. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.